Welcome to the second match of Doubleheader Tuesday, New Zealand versus South Africa, the second KFC T20 International. Seddon Park looking a picture tonight, and it's so good to see families out on the blankets, ready for some great action, perhaps some sixers into that crowd a bit later on, but it's always good to be back with you. Katie Martin alongside me as we look at the teams.
Evening, Cass, evening everybody. Yeah, a couple of changes for New Zealand. Lockie Ferguson, the new dad, congratulations to him, and Emma Weboke Ferguson was born around that World Cup, so it's great to see him back in the side alongside Josh Clarkson, the hard-hitting all-rounder in place of Bevan John Jacobs, who is out injured. Same top order for New Zealand, Conway and Latham. They'll be looking to try and get New Zealand off to a good start, and I think as a batting unit, Cass, it's around how quickly they can adapt to the conditions out here. Now on T20 for the Super Kings, part of that franchise. Super Kings, part of that franchise. How good was
delivery? The Karate Kid, Gerald Kutsia running in, one slip in play.
Right on.
Underway immediately, two straight, and that will go for four. Great start for the Black Caps. Through the gap. Keshav Maharaj is after it, but it's a carpet-like outfield to a race away for four. Glorious. Absolutely glorious from Conway. 4 runs to the total. That has gone high and on the boundary rope. That should be 6. Drill through the offside. 4 runs to end the over, 10 from it. 4 gone, 31 without loss.